Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable force dark mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on developer options. In here, you want to swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on force dark mode. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or switch it off. This will force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.